Working on stormwater drainage design and have an HCP file? This is a project from HydroCAD hydrology software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these HydroCAD project files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful HCP inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. HCP files are project files created by HydroCAD, a stormwater modeling software used by civil engineers for designing drainage systems and stormwater management facilities. They contain hydrologic and hydraulic calculations, including subcatchment data, pond designs, pipe networks, and storm event simulations for site development projects. HCP files use a proprietary format specific to HydroCAD storing project data, including watershed parameters, hydrograph methods, routing networks, pond stage storage tables, pipe definitions, and simulation results. The format integrates with HydroCAD's TR20, TR55, and SBUH calculation methodologies for stormwater engineering compliance. The default recognized opener for HCP files is known to be HydroCAD from HydroCAD Software Solutions. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows has limited support for engineering formats, so full inspection requires suitable CAD software. We'll initiate a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your HCP file and select Open With. Test HydroCAD if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. When your HCP file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, opening in HydroCAD. Install HydroCAD from hydrocadsoftware.com on your Windows computer using a valid license. Launch HydroCAD and use File then Open to load the HCP project. The software displays the watershed model with subcatchments, routing networks, and pond designs for review modification and storm event simulation analysis. Next, running simulations. Within HydroCAD, after loading the HCP file, specify storm events using built-in distributions or custom rainfall data. Run simulations to calculate runoff hydrographs, route flows through ponds and pipes, and analyze results. Generate reports showing peak flows, storage requirements, and outlet performance for engineering documentation and regulatory submittals. Finally, sharing project files. Distribute HCP files among engineering team members using HydroCAD for collaborative stormwater design. Recipients open the project in their HydroCAD installation, accessing the complete model. Document project assumptions and design criteria for clear communication of design intent across the engineering team and review processes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagic. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.